Hey cruisers, for this month's Amazon haul, I put my husband to the ultimate travel test. I challenged him to find 10 essential items on Amazon that we don't already have. And here's the catch. They had to be travel or cruise related. I wanted to see if he could rise to the occasion and find us some hidden gems. As I was testing out the stuff that he bought, I wasn't sure I even wanted to show you one of these items, number 4, and you'll see why when we get to it. Now you're going to want to stay to the end because the stakes are high for this challenge, and I'm going to need your help to see if he passed the test. Because if he succeeds, I'm going to let him choose our next cruise vacation destination. And if he fails, well, let's just say he's going to be doing the laundry for a month. So stay tuned to see if he can pass this Amazon challenge. Let's see what he picked. Now, he actually ended up coming back to me with 13 products. So he's got some points for being an overachiever, or I guess an over shopper in this case. You guys ready to get into this list? Okay, number 1 is really cool. This is a dry wash spray for clothing. It's a wrinkle remover, it's a fabric refresher spray, and it actually captures odor. So it's kind of like dry shampoo for your clothes, and you're getting like a fresh look without doing any laundry. So what you do is you just spritz this laundry conditioner on your clothes, you tug them a little bit, and then they're ready in minutes. Or you can hang them up instead if you want to for another day's use. So spritz them up, hang them up, and they're good to go. You can use this stuff on your pants, your slacks, your shirts, your dress shirts, your t-shirts, your business casual pants, your jeans, jackets, whatever you want. So this next item kind of goes hand in hand with this one. I think it's really clever. And it is a 24-piece set of travel hangers. These are folding clothes hangers. I used to see these, people recommending them all the time, and I scoffed at them. And now I'm thinking they're actually really cool because they're multi-use. First of all, if you end up with a shortage of hangers in your hotel room or on your cruise, you're totally fine. Second, they are totally foldable. If I had known how small and compact these were before, I would have bought them sooner. They also have anti-slip features, so when you're hanging stuff up on there, they're not going to slide off. I think these are amazing. They're totally multi-purpose. You can use them for hanging clothes, but then you could also use them as like a clothes drying rack. You can use them to organize your outfits, store accessories. They're really, really tiny. They're like 17 inches long when they're folded out, but when they're folded down, they're only just under 7 inches wide for convenient packing. These are really, really cool, and they're small. I'll be packing these. Number 3, Mr. Cruise Tips TV picked up some shoe protector spray. So basically this stuff is like rain and stain waterproof spray. It's the #1 bestseller in shoe protective treatments. It repels water, oil, and stains, and helps to keep your sneakers looking super fresh. So basically what you do is you apply the water repellent spray in a well-ventilated area. You can do 2 coats if you'd like, and that should be enough to create a water and stain resistant coat. So these are supposed to work with most sneakers. It is a quick dry formula, and honestly, you guys, it's totally clear. So don't worry about it discoloring your stuff. These would be fantastic for like your Alaska hiking boots. Maybe you got some hiking shoes and they weren't waterproof. You can make them waterproof. Okay, here's the controversial item, number 4. Mr. Cruise Tips TV bought disposable urine bags. Yes, he actually bought a multiple pack of, I think there's like 24 of them in here, pee bags for travel. They hold up to 800 milliliters of said pee-pee. So these are great if you get into an emergency situation and you need like a portable urinal. The funny thing is, you guys, they work for men and women. Now, I gotta be honest, I have not tested these yet, but I'm going to be open-minded and put a few in my car because we have all been in those traffic jams or those horrible situations where someone in the car asked the question. Are you ready for the question? Here it is. It's awkward. I'm going to say it. Does anybody have a cup? Because I really got to go. Well, with these, you don't need a cup if you really got to go. Number 5. I didn't even know that Tide made these, but they're sink packs. I always used to buy sink suds, but Mr. Cruise Tips TV came up with these little Tide travel sink packets. Now, these have just enough detergent in them to wash a couple of items in the sink when you're traveling. They're not for washing machine use, and they're just like 2.4 ounces total of detergent in there. So tiny sink use, washing out like undies, socks, swimwear, things like that. Number 6, I have been testing this product for the last week and I cannot keep my hands off of it, but it has a secret feature that I just found out about. I didn't notice it when we first got it. This is a small but very powerful power bank. It's a USB-C input and output, and again, it is an incredibly fast charger. This is going to take your iPhone from 0 to 60% charged in 30 minutes, which is nearly twice as fast as their original 2.4 chargers. So here's the secret feature for this. Did you know this has an iPhone holder on it, you guys? Look at this little doodad right here. You just flip it up and it will hold your iPhone 16, your 15, your 14, your 13. This will even hold like a Google phone, an iPad, a tablet, and it is TSA compliant. You do not have to worry about the battery in this one. Number 7, I gotta tell you, I love this find. Mr. Cruise Tips TV, you done good. These are disposable, flushable, and 100% biodegradable toilet seat covers. These are going to be amazing for cruise ship use. You shouldn't use them in your cruise ship cabin, but let's just talk about those shore excursions you go on where there's no seat covers and things like that. And they come in these little teeny tiny, small individual pocket packs, so they're easy to pack. So this is a whole bunch of packages. This isn't what you're packing with. You're gonna take one of these out and pack with them. All right, slightly related. Number 8, I didn't even know this existed. Again, I feel like the man did good on this one. This is a teeny tiny little pocket travel size of Poo-Pourri. That's right, this is the before you go toilet spray in the original citrus scent. You're getting a full fluid ounce. It's gonna be fine to take on the airplane, and it kind of smells like lemon, bergamot. It's fresh, it's citrusy, and this is really nice because let's be honest, cruise ship bathrooms, they stink. Number 9 is a travel cable organizer. This is just a nice, simple electronics accessories case to keep everything organized in. It says it's waterproof. I find it hard to believe that it's waterproof, but it says that it is, and it's durable. So an awesome place to store your cords, your chargers, your phone, your earphones, your SD cards, you know, those power banks that we travel with, anything you can imagine, you can store it right here. Number 10 is another charger. This is a cute little small portable charger with one built-in cable. But here's what makes this product so cool. This cable is removable and it's dual purpose. On one side, it has a lightning cable, and on the other side, it's USB-C. So it's super compact and it works with lots of different types of phones. If you have an older iPhone that still uses the lightning cable, you're hooked up. Number 11, I have to say, this might be my little favorite. This is a pocket mirror. I think Mr. Cruise Tips TV was thinking of me when he bought this. It is a two-sided mirror with, on one side, it has single 1x magnification, and on the other side, it has 3x magnification, and it has a light with it. It's ultra compact, it's portable, you can fold it. It's basically pocket size. This would be an excellent gift for a new cruiser and comes in lots of colors. If you're looking for like a little gift bag item to give to someone that maybe is traveling with you for the first time, include this. And also include number 12, this small mini umbrella. You guys, this is so nice. It comes with a case. It's just a bonus. You don't have to use the case. It's even more compact if you don't use it, but it is so nice. It is lightweight. It is totally portable. And I gotta tell you, I like the extra case, if nothing else than to store it when I'm at home so I know where it is. It just looks nice. It's kind of organized and compact, and it'll fit into a nice little spot. Our last item today, this is an interesting one. This is the one I'm not too sure about and I want your opinion on. This is a 50 pack of compressed facial sponges. You can use these for cleansing and exfoliating your face, or you can even use them with makeup remover. They are totally reusable, by the way. And here's the interesting part. They're 100% cellulose, so they're completely biodegradable. All right, friends. So how did Mr. Cruise Tips TV do? Should he get to pick our next cruise destination? And if he does, what cruise ship, what destination do you think he is going to pick? Weigh in down in the comments and tell us what products you'd like us to review in our next Amazon haul. Completely forgot to mention all of this stuff is, of course, linked below. Thank you so much for watching this video and for shopping with us. And until next time, we'll see you on the high seas. Bye-bye.